Hello, this is the tutorial for the Coollearn student demo class. First, I'll show you where to find the teaching materials. First folder, the third folder from the top, demo class materials. So there are only 6 teaching plans for the student demo classes. You only have to prepare for each one of them once, and you will use them repeatedly in the future. So I've already opened the first one, hobbies. Just go with this. They have prepared the warm-up questions. Okay, they do have a SOP for the student demo classes. So the student demo classes are for the first-time students. The Coollearn would expect you to introduce yourself in your own words. Hi, good morning, how are you? And something about the class, about 25 minutes. And they would expect you to ask the 3 questions. Do you work or are you a student? What is your hobby? And why do you want to learn English? And write the student's answer on Blackboard. And later copy these answers and paste them into the class reports, which we will discuss later. And by the end of the class, they would expect you to say something to the students like, thank you for doing such a good job, and one of our class consultants will be calling in to inform you how you did in this class. And thank you for choosing Coollearn or Xin Dongfang, which is the big company name in China that owns the Coollearn. Okay, hope you will have a good day. See you next time. Something like that, in your own words. For the student demo classes, you will need to submit the class report through the WeChat support group, and then submit a simple comment to the Coollearn website. So 2 places. This is very different than our other classes. For other classes, you would only need to submit the class report to the Coollearn website. But for the student demo classes, the main class report is the Excel file. First, the format of the class report would be the student's name, underline, time, and date, which is the Beijing time and date. You can just copy from the student demo class information page, and then teacher's name, which is your name. And then the details of the report. Let's open the report template. So Coollearn would expect you to fill out the date and time. Just copy from the demo class information page or your schedule. And then student's username and teacher's name. And then they would expect you to give students scores in their listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar, and fluency. So the score range, although the scores, they have 1 to 9, the actual score they would expect you to give to the students, I believe, is 3 to 6. Let me see. Okay, normally the students' levels are 4 or 5. Please only give scores ranging from 3 to 6. So Coollearn don't encourage you to give student scores higher than 6. So this student only get score 3 for the listening, so just delete the other ones. And for the vocabulary, you give the students 2, so delete the other ones. Make sure to save a template that you can always use. You can always open and use, and then just make save as is. Okay. So save a template you can always use. And for the pronunciation, and for the fluency 5, just delete the rest. And for the grammar, yeah, just like that, very simple. And then this is the comment page. Well, you did well in your demo class today. So you just put in the student's name, like Crystal. You did well in your demo class today. I really enjoyed. You can just leave these sentences as is, or you can just modify them to make your own template, and then copy your Blackboard notes from the class, which is very easy. And you can use these words as is, or you can make some simple comments to the student, and then you have finished your class reports. After you finish the Excel file of the class report, don't forget to copy this section and submit the class report on the Coollearn website. And then let's discuss how to submit the Excel file class report to the WeChat support group. So here. So these are the links for installing WeChat on your PC or Mac. So I have a PC, I just follow this link. This is the WeChat official website. I click on download. Okay, the download's finished. I just click on it. And I say yes because this is an official website, so very safe. Okay, install. I can close this now because I already installed once, but this is just for showing how to install the WeChat on PC, on your computer. Okay, I guess install WeChat and run. So when you first install the WeChat on your personal computer and open it, it will be like this. So this is the scanned QR code. And at this time you open the WeChat on your phone, and there is a plus button on the upper right corner. Click on it, and then this is the scan QR code, and click on it, and then you will be able to scan this QR code. After you scanned it, the WeChat on your computer will open. Let me do that right now. I'm scanning the QR code using my phone. You can hear the click sign, and it asked me to confirm the login on my phone. And now I have opened my WeChat both on my phone and on my computer. And then I can, for example, if this is the WeChat support group, I'll just send file and demo class. Yes, choose the right file, choose the class report like this, and open, and click on send. And that's how it is, how to submit your class report for the student demo class and into the WeChat support group. Yes, thank you for your time. That's the end of our tutorial.